Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be answering a really popular question, and that is Wagyu better front seared or reverse seared? If you want to stay for the video, obviously stay on the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. In today's cook, we'll be using these amazing Wagyu marbling school 9s, and you can see how prestige this meat is. Just look at the marbling and have the time to appreciate it. These two steaks have already been dry brined, which means put salt on the steak and leave it in my refrigerator overnight. Since I've already put salt on it, now is the perfect time to put some pepper on it. Make sure to season both sides. Now I'm going to take one of my steaks and set up my reverse sear, which includes the steak, the rack, and the tray with tin foil. Now when you put it in the oven, make sure to put it on the middle rack so then your actual rack is closer to the top of the oven. Keep in mind, when the steak is in the oven, you gotta regularly check the temperature with a temperature thermometer until it reaches at least 120 Fahrenheit, just like shown in the video. Now what I'm gonna start doing is doing the front seared steak. So I'm just gonna drop it in my preheated pan with no oil, because Wagyu already has a bunch of fat that would be able to grease up the pan with itself. I'm gonna sear this for 1 minute on each side, and I'll do a couple of flips and take it into the oven. Now with the reverse seared steak, what you want to do is just lay it in your pan, obviously, just like my reverse seared tutorial. If you have not seen that before, obviously go check it out. And yeah, let's wait until this thing sears. Usually I would do 1 minute on each side and only flip it once, because then I don't want it to be overcooked. Alright, for this part my audio has been cut, meaning my microphone wasn't working, so I'm just gonna voice over this real quick, and let's give you guys what's the difference between reverse sear and front sear. So when I tried the reverse seared steak, it had definitely more crust, like I can feel the crunch. But with that, it trades in with the tenderness, which isn't as tender as the front seared steak. But the front seared steak, although it's tender, is missing a bit of crust. So it really depends on what you like, reverse sear or front seared, because if you are a crust guy, then obviously go for reverse sear, but if you want that tenderness, obviously go for front sear. That is my recommendation, and that is what I would be cooking. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, obviously leave a like and comment and tell me what other cooks I should do, or any video ideas you want to give me. So yeah, as always, it's Harry here. Peace out.